Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Anna.
And I'm David.
Today, we're going to learn something very useful. We will learn how to talk about your day in English. This is super important because every day people ask you, "How was your day?" And you need to answer.
Yes, I want to learn this. Sometimes I don't know what to say.
Don't worry, David. Today, we will practice together. We will learn easy words, simple sentences, and real conversations. Are you ready?
Yes, let's start.
Great. Let's go. Okay, David, let me ask you, how was your day?
My day was good?
Good. But David, we can say more. Let me help you. When someone asks, how was your day, you can answer in different ways. For example, my day was great. My day was okay. My day was busy. My day was tiring.
Oh, I understand. So I can say, my day was busy.
Perfect. Now, let's practice a real conversation. Imagine we meet after work. I will ask you, and you answer, okay?
Okay.
Hi, David. How was your day?
Hi, Anna. My day was good. How about you?
My day was busy. I had many meetings.
Oh, meetings are tiring.
Yes, but it's okay. What did you do today?
I go to work?
Ah, David, small mistake. We say, I went to work, not I go. We use past tense because your day already happened.
Oh, I went to work. Thank you.
No problem. So what else did you do?
I went to work, I had lunch with my friend, and I came home.
Wonderful. You're doing great. Now, let me teach you more phrases. When we talk about our day, we usually say what we did step by step. For example, first I woke up at 7 a.m. Then I had breakfast. After that, I went to work. In the afternoon, I had a meeting. Finally, I came home.
Oh, so we use words like first, then, after that, and finally.
Exactly. These words help us tell our story clearly. Let's try again. David, tell me about your day from the beginning.
Okay. First, I woke up at 6:30. Then I took a shower. After that, I had breakfast. I ate toast and drank coffee.
Great. Keep going.
Then I went to work by bus. At work, I answered emails and called some clients. In the afternoon, I had lunch with my friend. We ate pizza.
Yummy. I love pizza. And then?
After lunch, I worked more. Finally, I came home at 6 p.m. I was tired, so I watched TV.
Perfect, David. You did it. This is how we talk about our day in English. But wait, we have more. Let's learn some important vocabulary. Okay, now let's learn 7 important words and phrases that will help you talk about your day. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Wake up. This means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. David, can you make a sentence?
I woke up late today.
Perfect. Wake up. Everyone repeat, wake up. These are the 3 meals we eat every day. Breakfast is in the morning, lunch is in the afternoon, dinner is in the evening. For example, I had toast for breakfast. David?
I had a sandwich for lunch.
Great. Repeat. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. This means to travel to your job or school. For example, I go to work by train. David?
I went to work by bus today.
Excellent. Repeat. Go to work, go to school. Busy means you have many things to do. You don't have free time. For example, I was busy at work today. David?
I'm always busy on Mondays.
Me too. Repeat. Busy. Tired means you need rest. You have no energy. For example, I feel tired after work. David?
I felt tired after my English class.
I hope not because of me. Repeat. Tired. Relaxed means calm and comfortable. You have no stress. For example, I feel relaxed on weekends. David?
I feel relaxed when I listen to music.
Nice. Repeat. Relaxed. Finally means at the end or at last. We use it to talk about the last thing we did. For example, finally I went to bed at 10 p.m. David?
Finally, I finished my homework.
Perfect. Repeat. Finally. Great job, everyone. Now you know these important words. Let's practice speaking. Now it's time to practice. I will say some sentences and you repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Sentence 1. How was your day? Good. Again, how was your day? Sentence 2. My day was good. Again, my day was good. Sentence 3. I woke up at 7 a.m. Again, I woke up at 7 a.m. Sentence 4. I had breakfast. Again, I had breakfast. Sentence 6. I was busy today. Again, I was busy today. Sentence 7. I feel tired. Again, I feel tired. Sentence 8. Finally, I came home. Again, finally, I came home. Excellent. You did amazing. Now let's do one more practice. I will ask you a question and you answer out loud, okay? Question 1. How was your day? Good. You can say, my day was good or my day was busy. Question 2. What did you do today? You can say, I went to work or I stayed home. Question 3. How do you feel now? You can say, I feel tired or I feel happy. Perfect. You're doing great. Keep practicing every day and speaking English will become easier and easier. Okay, everyone, let's quickly recap what we learned today. David, can you help me?
Sure. Today we learned how to talk about our day in English.
That's right. We learned how to answer the question, how was your day? We can say, my day was good, my day was busy, my day was tiring. We also learned how to describe our day step by step using words like first, then, after that, and finally. Exactly. And we learned 7 important words. Wake up, breakfast, lunch, dinner, go to work, go to school, busy, tired, relaxed, finally.
And we practiced speaking. That was fun.
Yes. Remember, practice is very important. Try to talk about your day in English every day. You can talk to yourself or you can write it in a diary. The more you practice, the better you will become.
That's true. I will practice every day.
Great. Me too. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Did you enjoy it?
I hope you did. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Click the like button.
Yes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the red subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our new videos.
Also, write a comment below. Tell us, how was your day today? Try to write in English.
Yes, we love reading your comments. And if you have any questions, write them in the comments too. We will answer.
And if you want more English lessons, check out our other videos. We have many topics for you.
That's right. Okay, everyone. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next video.
See you next time. Keep practicing and never give up.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.